thanks for tuning in to DC Collectibles. What you're looking at is my prized script from The Simpsons. This was a script that was given away at a table read that I was fortunate enough to go to in, I think, 2009 or 2008. And we were very lucky because pretty much everyone was there that day. Even people that don't usually go were there. We have James L. Brooks, the producer, was there, and that's pretty rare. Harry Shearer, he usually phones it in now. I mean, he does a lot of his table reads from home, but he was there, so that was great. Dan Castellaneta, Yeardley Smith, Tress McNeil, Matt Groening, he drew a little picture of Bongo down there for me. We got Marsha Wells, who recently passed away, so that's really sad. Pamela Hayden, Nancy Cartwright, Julie Kavner, Hank Azaria. So pretty much everybody. I kind of hit the jackpot that day and was really thankful, and I have this nearby my desk. It's quite inspiring. And the cool part is, it's from the episode Stop or My Dog Will Shoot. It was actually a good episode. You know, they're kind of hit and miss these days, or even back then. Oh, this was tabled 2006. Wow, it's earlier than I thought. So almost 10 years ago, but it was a good episode, and that makes it even more special to me. So very cool piece that I have. Everybody loves this. I've been offered money for this, but it won't be sold ever. Thanks.